While we are all dealing with this very scary worldwide pandemic of coronavirus or COVID-19, the goal in my clinic is to stay open as long as we can possibly do so to tend to the healthcare needs of our patients while keeping our patients and our staff safe. This next patient that you will see is now taking care of her two adorable granddaughters while their school is closed for the next 2 weeks at least, if not longer. So sit back and enjoy our coronavirus quarantine week number 1 Callous Tuesday video.
It was itching so bad in there.
Was itching? Yeah.
And I know that was a fungus.
Yeah, so and a fungus is what causes the athlete's foot, and a very low-grade chronic kind of athlete's foot can look just like this.
Okay.
So start with, if the moisturizing cream hasn't helped, start with that athlete's foot cream twice a day.
Okay.
And give it a couple weeks and see how you do.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm counting on you guys to let me know if I go out of the frame.
Is y'all looking?
Yeah.
Do you still see my foot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, what grade are you guys in?
I'm in first grade.
First grade?
I'm in K4.
You what?
I'm in K4.
That's kindergarten.
Kindergarten? Awesome. And they just closed the schools, huh? They said no school for 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Well, are you guys going to read books while you're home with Granny?
I'm hoping she buy us some.
What else do I read?
Huh?
What else?
You read those things so you can
What I say about if you remember that I asked this, I will get you anything you want. What is it?
Huh?
What is the book that I read?
The 23rd.
Where is it at? What book is it in?
The Bible.
Okay.
There you
Like you
go.
don't know.
Not a lot of pictures in the Bible, though, huh?
None at all.
Yeah. Well, I was just reading online that, do you have internet at home?
Yes.
So they have, that company Scholastic that does all the books that the kids can order, and
Yes.
they have opened up all of their learning for free now for these
Yes.
next couple weeks. Yeah, so if you go to scholastic.com, there's probably all kinds of activities and books they can read
Okay.
while they're at home with you.
Okay. I want you to write that word down.
I definitely will.
And I have my boyfriend find it on the internet.
Yeah.
And I can put it on my phone, Granny.
I don't know. You won't let it stay charged.
You're in first grade and you got your own phone?
Girl, but
Wow.
and she don't let it stay with 100%. It's always gonna be 13 or 14. Because soon as she can see just a little bit, she is playing on that phone.
Yeah.
I tell her, let it stay plugged up. You can't never get to 100.
Well, instead of playing, you can find some, I'll bet they have really good games and really good books that you can read online from there, because nobody's in school right
My
now.
teacher, we play tic-tac-toe. We don't use the X's or the O's.
What do you use?
Sometimes we might use the X's and the O's.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes we do our words that we go over.
Ah, are you good at spelling? Is that your thing?
Yeah.
You like to read?
Yeah.
What kind of books do you like to read?
Like Dr. Seuss book.
Those are great books. I read those when I was a little girl.
Me too. Sam, I am with no hate, ham and eggs.
Green eggs and ham?
Yeah, between eggs and ham. I used to read that a lot.
I love my green eggs and ham.
You did.
You read Green Eggs and Ham?
And I ate them.
You
did.
ate them?
Mm.
Is your name Sam I Am?
No.
No.
Is the camera on?
It is. So everything we're talking about is going to be on YouTube
Ooh.
tomorrow.
Ooh. I wanna go. Can you watch your
Yeah, I'll let you know where it's going to be, but it'll be tomorrow, late afternoon probably.
Okay. Right. I want to see all your videos. I want to see you on. Can you write down the thing?
I will,
I
yep.
want to see you on YouTube. And then when I get home, I can type it.
Is there anything you want to say to yourself when you're watching your YouTube and you can hear your voices on it? We won't have your faces or your names, but we'll be able to hear what you're saying. Nothing you want to say to yourself when you're watching?
No.
Okay.
I will.
What would you say?
I will say.
Sit up, she can hear you. Sit
I
up.
will say. I'm pretty. And
You are very
I
pretty.
like my hair.
And you like your hair? Well, you're both very pretty and your hair is beautiful on both of you guys.
Yeah.
So you could definitely say that to yourself.
And I will say, but look at my granny pretty basketball purse.
Look at that.
My granny bought it. She bought it online. Right, Granny?
I brought it today to do my hair.
Ah, that's fun.
I thought you bought it off Extra. You always shopping off Extra.
Okay, let's get this third one over here. All right.
She told you to look and see if my foot is out that camera.
It's not out the camera,
You
right?
ain't even looking. No, you can't say that.
Can you see where I'm cutting?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's in the camera?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Where you going?
I'm looking at
Sit
it.
down.
I'm just looking at it, man.
I ain't saying, I'm talking to you, Ariel.
Granny said she ain't talking.
Sit down in that chair.
Granny said sit down in that chair.
Now, do you go to Soul Care for Souls still?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think they canceled this week.
Oh,
I
okay.
think they're canceled for a bit. Everybody's canceled everything.
It sure is. I'm going to my daughter's wedding next month.
You think you're going to your daughter's wedding.
Right. It's in Arizona.
You may or may not be going to your daughter's wedding
Right.
next month.
And I done got the ticket and stuff.
It's so crazy.
Yeah. That's what I had told my boyfriend. I said, you gonna have to take me to the airport by 5 o'clock. He said, why so early? Your plane don't leave till 8:30. There's a lot of things I gotta go through. They don't know if I'm sick. I gotta go through that.
Yeah.
You know?
All right. Well, thank you for letting me film the trimming of all this. And we'll go ahead and we'll put those little patches on in a second. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.